third day at the bowling alley. It shut off on us, and we don't even know who won. She eats my french fries. I had cheese, but now I have ketchup. Still my french fries.
Oh, so we're just gonna say it was a draw.
Yeah, I won.
Oh, okay. But who wins academically?
Your mom goes to college.
She does. No, she's getting her something. She's gonna be a masseuse, stuff like that.
Want a french fry? And she takes it and eats it.
Our song ended. We had 2 songs play.
Yeah, Girlfriend by Avril Lavigne and All the Things She Said by Tattoo, or however you pronounce her name.
It's Tattoo. But I wanted something else. I wanted Panic at the Disco.
Yeah, screw Panic at the Disco. I mean, I love them and everything, but
She just said screw Panic at the Disco.
I like fries. Fries are wonderful food. I don't need to be eating them though. She helped me. She just took like 3 of them.
I want to go home.
I want to lick the salt off my finger and